might think you know everything about Vicks VapoRub. It's that trusty jar sitting in your medicine cabinet, right? The one you grab when you have a cold. But what if I told you that this little blue jar holds secrets that go way beyond clearing up a stuffy nose? Today, I'm going to reveal 12 incredible, unexpected ways you can use Vicks VapoRub, life hacks you've probably never heard of. From treating acne and soothing sore muscles to repelling mosquitoes and even training your pets. The possibilities will surprise you. You won't believe just how versatile this classic product really is. So before you toss it back into the drawer, stick around, you might just discover your new favorite household hack. Let's get started. 1. Relieve headaches. Let's face it, headaches are the worst. Whether it's a dull throb or a full-on migraine, it can ruin your day in no time. Instead of reaching for painkillers, try this simple trick. Take a small amount of Vicks VapoRub and gently rub it onto your temples, forehead, and the back of your neck. The cooling menthol will kick in, easing the tension and soothing your aching head. Give it about 20 minutes, and you might just find your headache drifting away without the need for medication. It's like a mini spa treatment for your head, minus the hefty price tag. 2. Soothe sore muscles and aching joints. We've all been there. You push yourself a little too hard at the gym or spend the whole day running around, and now your muscles are screaming at you. Instead of popping pain pills, grab your trusty jar of Vicks VapoRub. Apply a generous amount to the sore spots and massage it in. The menthol provides an instant cooling sensation, while the camphor warms up and eases stiffness. It's like getting a deep tissue massage right at home, no appointment needed. 3. Treat acne spots. Acne popping up right before an important event? Ugh, the struggle is real. Instead of stressing out, reach for Vicks VapoRub. The camphor and eucalyptus oil have antibacterial properties that help fight off the bacteria causing those pesky pimples. Just dab a little on the spot and let it work its magic. It helps reduce redness and swelling, giving your skin a chance to heal faster. It's like a secret weapon in your skincare arsenal that costs next to nothing. 4. Clear up minor wounds and scrapes. Got a minor cut or scrape? Before you reach for that tube of expensive ointment, consider using Vicks VapoRub instead. This stuff isn't just good for colds, it's got antiseptic properties that can help keep your cuts clean and free from infection. Plus, the menthol helps numb the area and reduces pain. Just apply a small amount to the wound, cover it with a bandage, and let it do its thing. It's an easy, budget-friendly alternative when you don't have other first aid products on hand. 5. Get rid of ingrown hairs. Ingrown hairs can be super annoying. They're itchy, red, and sometimes even painful. But guess what? Vicks VapoRub can help with that too. Just rub a little bit onto the affected area. The anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling, while the eucalyptus oil soothes the irritation. Over time, the hair will find its way out, and your skin will feel smooth again. It's a quick fix that saves you from having to deal with those pesky bumps. 6. Treat foot fungus. Foot fungus isn't exactly something you want to brag about, but it's a common problem that can be tough to treat. Instead of spending money on fancy creams, try using Vicks VapoRub. The antifungal properties of camphor and eucalyptus oil make it an effective home remedy. Just apply a small amount to the affected area twice a day, and you'll start seeing improvements in a few weeks. It's a great solution for athlete's foot, toenail fungus, and other stubborn issues. 7. Heal rough skin on your heels. Cracked heels? We've all been there. It's not just uncomfortable, it can be downright painful. Thankfully, Vicks VapoRub is here to save the day. Before bed, slather some on your heels, put on a pair of clean socks, and let it work its moisturizing magic overnight. By morning, your feet will feel softer and smoother. It's a simple, effective remedy that gives you spa-like results without leaving your house. 8. Fade stretch marks. Stretch marks are totally normal, but if you're looking to fade them a bit, Vicks VapoRub might be your new best friend. Apply a small amount to the marks twice a day, preferably after a shower when your skin is still damp. The menthol and essential oils help moisturize and improve the skin's elasticity, making the stretch marks less noticeable over time. It's a gentle, natural way to care for your skin without spending a fortune on expensive treatments. 9. Treat dry scalp. Dry, itchy scalp? It's a common issue, especially during colder months. Instead of spending money on fancy hair treatments, try this. Massage a small amount of Vicks VapoRub directly onto your scalp. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, then shampoo as usual. The eucalyptus oil and menthol will help soothe irritation and reduce flakes, leaving your scalp feeling refreshed. For a deeper treatment, leave it on overnight and wash it out in the morning. 10. Repel mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are the uninvited guests at every outdoor gathering. But there's a simple trick to keep them away. Just use Vicks VapoRub. The strong scent of camphor and menthol works as a natural repellent. Dab a little on your arms and legs before heading outside, and those pesky bugs will think twice about bothering you. Plus, if you do get bitten, applying a small amount can help soothe the itch and reduce the swelling. 11. Train your cat. If you've got a cat that loves scratching up your furniture, Vicks VapoRub can help save your couch. Cats hate the strong smell of menthol, so applying a little bit of Vicks to areas they like to scratch can be a great deterrent. It's a simple, pet-safe solution that can keep your cat away from your favorite chair without resorting to harsh sprays. 12. Silence a squeaky door. Squeaky door driving you crazy? Here's a quick fix. Instead of grabbing a can of lubricant, try rubbing a bit of Vicks VapoRub onto the hinges. The ointment acts as a lubricant, and the squeaking should stop immediately. It's a simple hack that works like a charm, and your house will smell mini-fresh too. And there you have it, 12 incredible, unexpected ways to use Vicks VapoRub that go way beyond cold relief. It's amazing what this little jar can do, right? But don't go just yet. If you found these tips useful, I've got even more surprising life hacks and creative solutions in my other videos. Just click on one of the recommendations popping up on your screen right now, you won't want to miss them. Before you go, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with someone who needs to know these awesome hacks. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our next must-see tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.